Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to export customers and customer addresses in Magento 2. So it's very easy. Go to the section, system, export, select one, whether you want to customers meet file, customer addresses individually. So customers main file, CSV. Those who want to, you want to export, just tick it. Those because it is like entity that you want. If you don't want, just check it. Okay. So I want all of these things, continue, so it will messaging messages added to the queue. So what we have to do, we know that export processor we have to get it. So Magento to export processor, CMD. Okay, so there is a file that we have to add this one, php bin export processor. So go to the terminal, sudo, okay, export processor. This is done, and you will see that the file is available here. Okay, select it, download this file. So it says that the is not writable, that means permissions are not there. Okay, so add these permissions. So where is our permissions are here. So these are the permissions done. Reload this tab again, download this customer file is download. See that all the customers are here, right? All the customers are here. You can see that customers made file. Okay, so this is the customers main file that you want export, and the rest of the part, that is their addresses, that you will get it from here, customers addresses. So you can also city, company and all, then make it continue. Okay, messages added again. So let's add this one also, same part, customers export. Then we need to add this permissions here to download the file. So see, paste, sorry, it's done. Reload this tab, this message down, and again you can select the customer address, download, and you are able to open the customers addresses at the same. Okay, so all the customers, right? You can see that. So it's very easy to export the customers and import the customers, which we have already done. So any issue in that, any query in that, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Please do like, share and comment. Have a nice day.